Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So we should just use this one from this button, just up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, press it, and after that you'll see here this bell icon. Just click on this bell icon and select this one, and here we can see now that the calls and notifications, they will be muted. If you want, that means that the silent mode is activated on our device. If you want to turn it off, once again click here and select this bell icon, and now all our calls and notifications, they will ring. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.